Did you put the afternoon?
Hey, we had rush hour this morning, that was decent.
No, I was watching it for quite a bit of time.
Decent that this morning. It's not.
No, did you put the afterburners on yesterday? No.